In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. Whether you're building a new site from scratch or enhancing an existing one, navigation menus are crucial for guiding visitors and improving the user experience. So let's dive in and explore how you can add and fine-tune these elements directly in Wix Studio. To get started, you'll first want to access Wix Studio. Once you're in, look to the top of your interface. Here, you'll find the option labeled Add Elements. Clicking on this will open up a slew of options that you can incorporate into your website. Now, direct your attention to the Menu and Search section. Clicking here will present you with all menu-related elements available in Wix Studio. At this stage, you're going to choose a menu design that best fits your website's style and functionality needs. Wix offers various options, from classic horizontal menus to stylish vertical ones, so you can truly align with the aesthetic of your site. Once you've selected a design you like, click on it. This will add the menu to your site instantly. The next step involves customizing the menu to serve your specific needs. For this, you'll need to click on Manage Menu. This tool allows you to adjust the menu items, rename them, or even change their order to reflect the structure of your site. If you need to add new items to your menu, simply click on Add Item. Think of a menu item as a doorway leading to another section or page of your website. By adding an item, you're essentially creating more pathways for users to navigate through your site smoothly. By opting to click on the Site Pages section, you can view all the pages currently part of your website. Here you can select which pages you'd like to appear in your navigation menu. It's a good practice to limit the number of items to those truly essential for guiding users through your site seamlessly. Should you wish to highlight a specific menu item, you'll find an option named Highlight. This allows you to draw visitors' attention to certain sections, pages, or offers, making it a handy tool for promotions or key content you don't want your visitors to miss. You also have the option to add external links or anchors within your site. Clicking on Link or Anchor lets you direct visitors to another site altogether, or take them directly to specific sections within a page, hence offering a more versatile browsing experience. Adding more levels to your navigation has never been simpler. Click on Add Item again, and you can opt for a drop-down menu. Drop-downs are a fantastic way to organize categories and subcategories without cluttering your main navigation bar. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding and customizing navigation menus in Wix Studio. With these customizable options and features, you're now ready to enhance your visitors' navigation experience and make your website even more user-friendly. Happy designing!